Yeah, YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. Box number 4. Zinc 2008 Leaf Limited Football. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go. Four hits in the box. Here we go. And first hit. Wow, Dolphins again. Chad Henne. Jersey, this one is autographed, and that's numbered really low out of 15. Jersey auto of Chad Henne. Sick. That's our third Henne today. Next, another hit. Matt Forte of the Bears. Jersey. That one's numbered out of 50. Let's find a McFadden in here somewhere. Sonny Jurgensen, Redskins, at a $9.99 insert. For the Packers, Aaron Rodgers at a $125 insert. Buccaneers, Corey Boyd, Phenom, at a $9.99. Still got 08 Premier and 09 Ultimate. We hit a redemption. Where's the checklist? Hit a redemption. Flip. Materials, 316. There's the number there. 316. Materials, Phenoms. 316. It will be Harry Douglas. As you can see, let me try to zoom in on here. There it is. 316 is Harry Douglas, and there's 316. So, Harry Douglas, redemption. Zoom out. So we got 3 hits already. I don't know if they gave us an extra hit or not. Drew Brees banner season for the Saints at a $9.99. I know, sick cards. I know. I want to get some other people's stuff here. Legends, Bo Jackson for the Raiders at a $4.99. One more hit left, but we only got through one stack so far. So, Gary Collins for the Browns at a $49 insert. Fran Tarkenton for the Vikings at a $9.99. For the Browns, Alan Patrick at a $125 insert. 5 packs left, 1 hit remaining. Phenoms, Marcus Smith for the Ravens at a $9.99. Again, good luck. We still got 08 Premier. We have 09 Ultimate coming up. Jamar Johnson, Vikings at a $99. 3 packs. Looking for one more hit. I believe there's 4 hits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And there's our last hit. Buccaneers, Jeff Garcia jersey, out of 100 for the Bucks. Bucks have been taken out. Legends, Paul Warfield for the Browns out of 499. And final pack. Final pack. Will be Clinton Portis, Redskins out of 999. So that's box number 5. Actually 4. 2 boxes left. Check those videos out. And GSN Cards is out.